Are you about to go in the Lafrowda self-catered? Maybe you want to check this one out. Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate channel for students. My name is Francesca and my aim is to help you have the best fresh start at university. Today, we are going to do a room tour yet again of Lafrowda. I really hope this will be helpful. I already did one, but maybe you guys want to see another one just in case so you can compare. Thank you so much, Laura, for allowing me to show your room. I know it's a very personal space and I do appreciate it a lot. Guys, before we dive in, I have 3 things I want to tell you. Number 1, have you joined my Facebook group for incoming freshers? That's the only group who's going to be without any spam. I really highly recommend you going there if you want to be surrounded by people who are in the same boat as you, for sure. Second of all, I really want to do a Q&A video, but I have no questions from anyone, and I know that sounds really bad, but I really hope that you guys can like comment your questions so I can like start one. It's always been something I wanted to do. And then third of all, if this is not the first video you're seeing of me, please subscribe to my channel, as it would mean the world to me, and I really would like to welcome you to the family. Okay, so now we can finally start this room tour. Enjoy. Do you recommend having a printer in your room?
Yeah, definitely.
A printer in the library?
I didn't try it, but I like to print the PowerPoint presentations.
Okay, I see. So convenient. Lovely. Oh yeah, I remember that. I'm gonna like just do that. Oh shit. Okay, maybe. Okay, cool. So you can see, guys, there's plenty of storage underneath. Okay, thank you. You just need to do under the bed. Cool, thank you. Alright, there is a mirror. That was a question on my YouTube channel. Okay. Very long mirror. Hi. It's fun that they can. No, but I will edit out the sound.
Every time. That's your go-to. How are you feeling yesterday, by the way, Pascal? You alright? Did you remember? No. Did you finish the entire bottle, by the way? Yeah.
What did you guys think about the music? I was struggling to find one. If you guys have any music suggestions for my next room tours, let me know. I'm really struggling to find good music. Thank you so much, Laura, again for allowing me to use your room. It means the world to me to be able to do this. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Also, do not forget to comment your Q&A questions, that I really need questions for my Q&A video. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes.